everyone, I'm Iris, and today we are getting fancy, like date night fancy. Wow. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. All of the flavors we had in the marinade, the sweetness from the maple syrup, we have that umami from the fish sauce, the spice you can definitely taste. The shallot has kind of brought it all together with this little fresh bite. It's really delicious. And the caramelization that we have on the top here is not too spicy actually, because that habanero is really cooked off, but you get a little bit kind of at the tip of your tongue. It's beautiful. The cedar just adds the smokiness. It's so subtle, but really brings together kind of that like barbecue element. Really melds so well with all of the other flavors that we had going on in this marinade. I'm getting the kick from the habanero here. I ate a couple of the peppers. Listen, this is a must-do recipe.